Yeah. Back at it again. Back at it again.
Oh, hold on, what's that?
Back at it again.
Rags bun, 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 wax.
Only this guy.
8:01 p.m.
What up, what up, what up, what up? Back at it again with another one. It's always something, y'all. Always something. I got some fix it flat inside the truck. Put it in here. Pump the tire. And right after that, then that's when I realized we wanted to go move the truck, and it was debeating from the rim. And then that's when I saw the crack in the rim, and I knew it was done. So a couple days later, I went and got another tire from Crazy Ray's. I didn't film that because it wasn't nothing that much special, I figured, so didn't even try to film that. And that's that. And the truck's been running for the last, this past week. So today, I'm taking you to my job. We're going to do the AC. We're going to try to fix the AC in this truck, because right now, I only got rear AC. I have no front AC, which I will show y'all in just a minute. So let me turn this other one off so you can just get a good hear for it. So, as you can see, that's off, right? Nothing. But you can hear it click over to the next thing. But the AC motor is just not spinning at all. So what I'm gonna do is pull this at the shop, and we go from there and see if we can order a new one in for today. Got to pull it down there. So it might be a fun video, it might be a boring video. I might do some extra stuff in the day when I get off work. I might do some off-road stuff. So I'll see what's what. So I'm here at work, and I took off the first part, the cover, which was 7mm bolts. Now I believe I have to remove this cover. It's a cover right here, but I know this right here for like something small. But I have to remove these bolts real quick, and I'll show you. So I had to use a 732 to get these bolts out. And now the blower motor piece, as you can see, that's all hanging down. Well, that plastic little cover is hanging down, just wrapped around the cord. So now the blower motor's right there. Try to get that next.
Day 2.
Oh man, it came out kind of good. Loving it. Loving it, loving it, loving it. And this should be fixed, or should be done within the next 2 days. Welcome to another edition of Low&Slow Garage. Back at it again with another one. But anyway, today we're gonna pick up where I last left off with the Tahoe. This video that I did was like a couple days ago, so bear with me today. In my last video, I was doing the AC blower motor. As you can see, that's the old one. This is the new one. So I'm going to be doing that today while I'm here and knocking it out. I'm just showing y'all what I did. So if you give me a minute, I'll show y'all. Oh yeah. Since I got you guys here, I bought 2 new back tires for the truck today. So no more wobbling. That's done. That's fixed. Now I got to get it alignment. Alignment basically fix the front bumper, because I don't like the way how that thing is. A little tilt. Matter of fact, I'll show y'all real quick. I need to fix that. See, if you look at it, it looks kind of crooked. Yes, it does. So it is crooked. And as you can see, it really right here, it's really kind of crooked and off. So I want to fix that. And that should be that. I mean, I'm coming down to like the last little bit of things I got to do with this truck. So it can be roadworthy again. And that way it'd be sweet. Man, y'all, I really got to invest into a camera. Nothing wrong with phones, but personally, I need a camera so I can get all this angle on this view. As you can see, or I can get all this sweetness. So what I want to show y'all now, got my jams going. A working blower motor. The difference between that and one that doesn't work. So this one right here is not working at all. It's not even spinning, y'all. Let me see. Maybe I try starting the vehicle. Nothing. Just dead. And this is the difference between the running one. So basically, since that one's running now and that one's good, to make sure that it's the blower motor, you want to take what you want to call? You want to take your light and see if you got connection coming from the terminals. So what you want to make sure on this end of the plug is that you got power coming out of here that's going to the blower motor. I can't get to it right now because currently it's a little stuck, so I'll come back. I'll just show y'all. I can't really show y'all right now, but so you just basically do everything backwards, which I don't think I did in my last video, but I'll show you. So everything has got to go back up in here. You take it, put it back in there, twist it back in there, bolt everything back up, which I will show y'all now. And everything put back up. So while I'm here, I'm going to change them out and put the ones I got, put new ones up there, or semi-new ones up there. And that should be it. I'll end this video. Yeah. So that concludes the end of today's video. It's getting cold out here, sun is going down. Won't be able to get to the front bumper. I'll try to do the next video, do something special for it. So if you guys like this video, leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Peace. I don't care who got it. We still in charge. Fuck these hoes, fuck these bros.